We all want to make sure that we brush our child's teeth properly, as this is one of the most important things we can do to prevent tooth decay. From the moment a baby gets their first tooth, right up until the age of 7, they should have their teeth brushed by an adult. Sometimes it can be difficult to know how to brush a child's teeth effectively.
Here is a video of me brushing my daughter's teeth when she was younger. I'm talking to her and making it as enjoyable as possible, and importantly, making sure I use the right amount of toothpaste. The techniques to be used with a manual toothbrush and an electric toothbrush are slightly different. If you're using an electric toothbrush, the toothbrush will do the brushing motion for you. You simply need to place the toothbrush around all the surfaces of all the teeth without using a brushing motion. If you're using a manual toothbrush, you need to gently brush all the surfaces of all the teeth using small circular motions to manually brush the plaque of each tooth.
For more info, go to oralb.co.uk/strong teeth.